Testing, testing, testing.
Testing, testing, testing. New GoPro, who dis? Been super busy. We've got an island we're getting ready to paint today. We've got a walnut piece that's ready for installation, but we're waiting on the electrician. We got a set of cabinets that we're gonna rush out for next week that I'm probably gonna start on maybe today. Several tables next door. I think since I left you, I've hired Craig. His name is Craig Howard. He's an exceptional craftsman, very good. Basically, I sit in here, I make the prints, and then Craig just builds them, and then he paints them. So it's been really nice working with someone that knows what they're doing. I've always needed, I've always sought after an employee, but I never found the right one because I don't want one I can train just because it's me. I don't have time to train and run a business. So Craig's been great. He stepped in and it's been here for several months now, and does really good. We work good together, have a lot of fun. So he don't come in until later, usually like 9:30. I said 9:30 to 10, somewhere in there. So
And some days he just doesn't come in at all. Like today. Craig?
I get my day going. Got a little bit of painting to do this morning. I try to work in this shop until he gets here, and then I'll shoot over to the next shop. So been super busy. Haven't missed doing videos. It takes a lot, but I figured if I can make one every once in a while, then may as well. So Lucy's here. She's still just absolutely fat as ever. Hi, Lucy. So I got about a half hour worth of computer work here, and then we'll get going. So.
At Monroe. Jackson doesn't want fish sticks, so he was wondering if somebody could bring him a lunch. I already left a message with Heather, but you can call me back here at 309-697-20. Thanks, bye.
Have a good one. Self-checkouts. Love them. Big fan. If I have like a cart full, I'm not doing it. If it fits a few things, I don't have to talk to anyone. Ding ding, sign me up.
Talk about it, but it keeps us kind of moving together. Otherwise, you sit in the office.
Fish sticks, can you get some food? Ah!
Thank you.
Put it there, know you're here. So, podcast listeners.
Hello.
1/8 inch.
14 gauge.
14?
Yep.
Okay.
And I need one 80-inch piece and two 72, so two 6-footers. Get an 1.5 inches?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's just do 4-footer. That's fine.
135.71 to get you all the way. Paying cash. Yeah, almost there.
135.
We'll call it square right there.
I got another one.
Well, I'm not worried about 71 cents.
Oh, I sure am. I'll keep it. Dad always said you may be a penny short buying a car someday. You better save it. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
1.5 inches, 1/8 inch flat. When you were little, what did you want to be? Me, I want to be a swan man. That was my main life's goal, is to be a swan man. But in reality, I wanted to be everything. Dad said, you know, whatever you saw, that was it. That's what you wanted to be. Carpet layer. Some guys came to lay carpet at the house. I was like, oh, I want to be a carpet layer. A bunch of other things, but not much has changed. I'm still very much, I want to do more. I'm always wanting to do more. Either do a different business, start a different business, new ways to improve the business I'm in now, just different little niche ideas that I think would be background money, background noise, I call it. But I just never, my brain's never stopped wanting. And before woodworking, I remember telling like my uncle, I was like, I want my name on something. I want to be something bigger than myself. I truly believe I was not put on this world to work for somebody. I've always felt that in my bones, which is why I think there's any sort of quote unquote success to my business, is because it's maybe a little bit of stubbornness, a little bit of grit. I want more. I want more. And what I got is never enough. Very happy with what I got. Very grateful and humbled with what I have. But I think that's what makes any sort of, I hate the word entrepreneur because I feel like everyone just puts it in their bio and automatically an entrepreneur. But I feel like wanting more and never being satisfied is genuinely what makes entrepreneurs, business owners successful. I can't believe that stayed on as long as it did. So, yeah, just a little story. I don't know if that was on camera or not, but had a little bit of a fire welding in the wood shop. I'll never. Pretty good day, minus one helper. Started working on some cabinets. It's kind of a rush job because they're wanting to get stone on their fireplace, which is scheduled for next week. It's a small cabinet job just around the fireplace, so we just built a table for her. She goes, well, I didn't want to ask you. I was like, why don't you just get them done before the stone? She goes, well, I didn't want to ask. I'm like, no, well, it's not a huge deal. We'll get them knocked out. So started on that today. Quick day. It flew by. But I'm trying to shut everything off now and get to the school to get the kids. I don't even have half the lights on in here today. I would love to work tonight. I could come down here and just bust these cabinets out and have them done by tomorrow, but I can't. I gotta go home. Lucy! Good girl. Watch how fat she is. Come on. Come on. She just started crawling up in the truck. I always had to lift her up here. Where are my keys? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. I hope they're not in my shop. I don't know where my keys are at. Hoodie. Woo, found them. Watch the road. Let's go, dude. What are you doing just standing there? What took you so long?
I'm just doing Tatum's hair.
Hello. What are you doing? So they haven't seen you in a while. How old are you? Actually, I don't even know. 15 months? Can you blow him a kiss? Blow him a kiss. Aw, say thank you. Say
Say that's the end of the vlog.
Say hello. Hi, can you blow daddy a kiss? Oh, can you give mommy a kiss? Can you give mommy a kiss?
Give mom a kiss.
Give me a kiss. Give me kisses.